Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to delete Wan AI account. So let's get started with the video. In order to delete it, first you need to make sure that you're logged into your account. Here at the upper right side, you need to click on your profile icon, which you will see. And here you need to click on support. So basically it will open the email that you have to, which is logged in your PC, and from here you need to send an email to the help@wanai.org. This is the support team of Wan AI. Here you need to write in subject that you want to delete the account, and here you can insert the description over here. You can write the description over here. If you want to add any attachment, you can add that as well. Make sure that once you have sent the email, the team will delete it. They will reply on the same email once the deletion is done. And make sure once the account has been deleted, you cannot create the account on Wan AI again with the same email ID. So this is how you can delete the Wan AI account. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.